welcome to my Luxury Sri Lanka YouTube channel. So today I have come to see you with something special. As you all know, from Luxury Sri Lanka normally do reviews in luxury houses, luxury apartments and luxury vehicles. But today we are here to make a review on a luxury hotel. Here we go. It's Negombo. Okay guys, if you come inside with me, I will show you all the details. Come. When you first enter to this hotel, you can see this ample space. You can use this space as your lobby or your reception area. So before I move on to the details, I will describe where we are now. Today we are here at Negombo. So you know Negombo is a very popular area in Sri Lanka. And if I tell you more details about this location, this is located just close to Jedwin Blue and Jedwin Sea. So it's just walking distance and you can see the main road here. And this is located in such a beautiful place, such a commercial place. So let's move inside and you'll get more details. Before I show you the dining area, I will show you this side. Here you get the general washrooms for the ground floor. This is for gents, and if we move, it's like this. Also you have washrooms for ladies and staff as well. This is for the ladies. I will switch on the lights. And this is for your staff. When we get outside from these washroom areas, you can see the main lift on your right side. It's over there. And here you get the dining area. So, actually there are few tables are arranged nicely. And you have the buffet area here. At the same time, when you move back, you can have some spot of the office area here. You have some other door here as well. No, you can't see that. It's lots of something. Okay. Normally, we have come to hotels and we are dining here. But have you ever seen a kitchen in a hotel? I will show you the kitchen area of this hotel. So, this will be your kitchen. Before we move on to the first floor, I will take you to outside and show you what's there. At the moment, some tables are arranged here, and also I think you can use this space as well. You can have a barbecue here and you can place some tables here as well. And also you can sit to the seaside from there. I will show you the nice view of sea when I go inside. So this will be the real look of this hotel. As you can see, most of the rooms are facing to the seaside. So you get a beautiful scenery there. Let's come inside. Are we choosing the lift or the stairs? What do you prefer? This is the lift. But I will prefer staircase. That's good for health actually. Now we are heading towards the first floor. Actually, I should say there are 4 floors in this building, and this is the first view you get in your first floor. If I elaborate more, each floor is having 6 bedrooms, and the 4th floor is a surprise. Okay, I will show you the bedrooms in each floor. So, here we go. Such a beautiful room, right? Okay. So, this room is facing to the main road. So this will be your view from this room, and you can see the comfortable beds here and nicely arranged furniture. Yes. And when you come from there, you will get the washroom. Okay. Have you seen this table and everything? And shall I show you another room in this room? Okay. What should I choose? I will go for this. This will be another room, and here you face to the seaside, and you have a balcony area here. You can have a good balcony space here. Likewise, there are 6 rooms in this first floor. I will show you the other floors as well. Just follow me. Again, now we are using the stairs for the lift. Here I will go with the lift. We are inside the lift, and exciting to see the second floor. So this is the second floor, and same as the first floor, you have 6 bedrooms here. Do you need to see any rooms there? Which one I should choose? I'll go for this. Look at this beautiful bathroom. I like it. Hi Lakshmi Sri Lanka. Come. I will show you an elegant bed. So as the previous room, you are having a balcony facing to the main road. So you can see this is Negombo Kolkata Road. From this side you can see Jet Twin Blue, Jet Twin C and all the famous hotels there. And this road is fully covered with all the hotels and luxury boutiques. I can guarantee you, if you purchase this luxury property, definitely this would be a good investment for your future. So if you are willing to make a purchase, just call the numbers which I mentioned below and make an appointment to see this luxury property. Okay, let's go to the third floor and view what's there. Here we are at the third floor. If you follow me, I will show you something exciting. Here it is. You can have a beautiful scenery from this seaside. Here you go. Shall I open the doors for you? You can have a good scenery, good air and everything. So good. So beautiful, right? Okay, if I elaborate more details about this beautiful hotel, wait till I close this door. This is located in Negombo. Actually, I could say this is located in the heart of Negombo. As I mentioned earlier, Jet Twin Blue, Jet Twin C and all those luxury hotels are just close by, just walking distance, and you are facing to the main road, and you get 20 beautiful rooms in this hotel. So if you are interested, just dial the number here and make a call to get the details about this luxury and very beautiful hotel. Come with me. Oh, wait. I forgot to show you the bathroom here. Sorry. Here, this is the bathroom for this beautiful room. Elegantly designed with beautiful tiling and nice fittings. Are we going to the 4th floor to see the surprise? Come. Now we are heading towards the 4th floor. Yes. From my left side, you are getting this beautiful conference hall. Wow. It's so beautiful and so spacious. You can see beautiful lights. Actually, as I mentioned earlier, you can see the main road, Kolkata Road here. And you have all those luxury hotels on your right side, just by walking distance. And from this side you can have this beautiful scenery. I would say you can use this as a conference hall or as entertainment hall, right? With this all beautiful lighting and everything, this would be nice as an entertainment hall as well. So let's go outside and watch out what's over there. On my left side, this is the general washroom for all the ladies. Ladies, let's come inside. Okay. This is that beautiful washroom area. You can have all your makeups and all those things here. For gents, you have your gents washrooms here. From the beginning of this video, I told you about something surprising. So here I will show you this surprising thing. I will switch off the lights. This is the luxury suite of this hotel, and you have 2 luxury suites like this, and you have ample space here, and you have such a wonderful, such a comfortable bed here. And as I showed you earlier, you have that beautiful scenery. You get such a comfortable sea breeze here. Wow, I love this. So in the evening, you get such a beautiful scene from this here. So this would be the ideal place for your picnic. So don't miss out this chance. If you are willing to purchase this luxury hotel, just dial the numbers below and make an appointment to see the hotel. This would be your bathing area. And your beautiful mirror area with lots of space here and good fittings. So, as I mentioned earlier, there are 2 luxury suites. Oh, sorry. Okay, As I mentioned earlier, there are 2 luxury suites in this hotel. So this is the first one, and I will take you to the other room as well. Let's go. Here you get the other luxury suite. You have good space in this bedroom. I like this comfortable bed. Wow. You have good mirror and also a refrigerator, same as the other room. You have a beautiful entrance to the sea. Shall I show you? The thing I love most is this beautiful scenery and this comfortable sea breeze. Wow. Now I have only one more thing to show you. Actually, that is the washroom of this luxury suite. So elegant. This washing bathing area. This tiling is beautiful. I hope you all have enjoyed our program very well. So now we are going to wind up the program for today, and stay tuned with Luxury Sri Lanka for more luxury reviews like this. So if you are willing to be the lucky owner of this luxury property, just dial the number below so you can make an appointment and be the luxury owner of this beautiful property. When you call this number, you can get the price of this property and everything. So don't miss out the chance and be the lucky owner of this luxury property. And the most important thing is, if you have not subscribed our Luxury Sri Lanka YouTube channel yet, just subscribe my YouTube channel and just click the bell button. And you can share, you can like, and you can comment on our content, and stay tuned for more videos. So till then, love you all.